Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Guys, you're welcome back. In this tutorial, guys, we're going to be talking about the NFT ETF, guys, which is fractionalized NFTs. Now, we're going to look into the concept of these unique innovation being brought into the crypto space. Now, live here on Kucoin, to get access to the NFT ETF platform, you need to click on this top icon here that says fractional NFTs. Just click on this NFT icon. You see the wind vane and wonderland. So fractional NFT is going to take you directly to this page here where you'll be able to see the fractionalized, the blue chip NFTs for everyone. Now, this is a bridge between decentralized and centralized worlds, a fractionalization trading protocol for blue chip NFTs. Now, here you can be able to make an investment into the NFT space. Now, there are different categories. We have the 3 digits ENS, we have the sandbox NFTs, fractionalized NFTs, we have CryptoPunks, we have board API, and also the 4 digit ENS. Now, I think they've almost listed all of them already, but as of recording, there's still one left that has not been launched on the Kucoin platform. And one of the unique features about this whole process is about these unique tokens is the fact that it's currently only available on the Kucoin exchange. So there are lots of opportunities for you to make a killing with this, because in the nearest future it should be listed in other exchanges in the crypto space. So when you go over to CoinMarketCap, let's say we go over to CoinMarketCap now, you check over here, check about the market. You can see for the market, for Fracton protocol, which is the main brand, the main NFT based liquidity infrastructure for these old tokens. You can see it's only listed here, listed on Kucoin. Now you can also search up for the individual ones, such as iSense and iPunks. I'm going to search on that. So we have iPunks. So when you search on the iPunks, we also have the likes of IBC. So these are just fractionalized NFTs of the NFTs you are already familiar with. So in the nearest future, we're also hoping to see more of these fractionalized NFTs. Now, you also want to take note of these prices, the prices of these particular assets. This is just bonus tip. Some of these tokens are currently at their lowest prices, and in the nearest future we should be seeing, or once the bull run starts fully, you should be seeing a good number of increase in this price movement. Now you can see for iPunks, the market cap is just about $500,000, which is very low, very low. Now you can see for IBC is about $1 million. So there are lots of chances for the price. You can see the price of these iPunks is about 0.09, and the market cap is this, while you can see the total amounts that are in circulation, 5 million of these tokens. So this is how you could be able to make your research on these tokens. There are about 9 million IBC tokens. So in which case you can see that the number of circulating IBCs are more than the one of these iPunks. So there could be lots of more potential for iPunks to outrun IBC in the nearest future with the price movement. I think this is 5 million and this is about 9 million. Then the total maximum supply, you can see it, fully diluted market cap, you can also see, but you can make your comparison to know which one suits your investment more better. There are lots of users. You can check their feedback. iPhones going to 0, iPhone buy and hold. So each individual investor with their own individual feedbacks. Now iPhones is an ERC20 token representing a 1:1 million ownership of the target punk for set of punks in the punk meta swap arena. But what you should take note of is currently available on Uniswap to swap. Make sure you look at these 2% depth and this. So the best place to swap it is just go over to Kucoin, where you can see liquidity. There's high level of confidence, and there's the volume being traded is 99%. So it's more preferable for you to trade on the Kucoin platform, since that's the originator of this in particular. That's where the token launched. So you can check out the eyes, all-time eyes. You can see the price currently, half the price currently. Now let's go over to the announcement. It says here that this is the official website. So there's also, you can see we should be expecting 3 digit ENS. Now the Ethereum name ENS domains are secure domain names for decentralized world. So ENS domains provide a way for users to map readable names to blockchain and non-blockchain resources like Ethereum addresses, IP, FX, and more. Now, what you should take note, there's also a YouTube video to explain more on this on Kucoin's YouTube channel and more. He said why use these are some of the basic utilities. There's low barrier of entry, so once functionalized, popular blue chip NFTs will become more accessible. Now, for you to get a share of these blue chip NFTs, you can jump onto these. Now, IBC is very expensive, but buying a project that is affiliated with the IBC gives you a leverage on the whatever happens to the project will also be affecting you in a good way. So that's one of the key concepts. Now there's a centralized experience where you can also get access to these, unlike when you're trading these assets in a decentralized experience. Let's say you want to trade them directly on OpenSea or on your Trust wallet. Now he said there's a secondary market trading which is available on Kucoin and the spot market and with world-class liquidity. So that is something you also want to keep an eye on. Now if you're interested in partnering with the Kucoin, their email address is available here. Now there are lots of updates here, lots of updates, guys. So let's just go over to this announcement that talks about the Kucoin. Now for Fracton protocol made it through the Kucoin spotlight. I know most of the projects that are passed through the spotlight are very made lots of returns for investors. Now we're just going to go over here and go over the article that talks about this ETF launch. Now it says here, Kucoin launches NFT ETF trading zone, a new way to invest in blue chip NFTs. Now, after several months of development, Kucoin has announced this new feature. Now, partnering with Fracton protocol, Kucoin will provide 5 NFT ETFs covering BC, Punks, Sandbox, Other Deed, and ENS as underlying asset to our community. Now, he said this started on 29 July 2022, so you can see the structured, soon to be expected, soon to be exported. Now, what the key? Okay, for bonus tip, guys. Bonus tip, guys. Bonus tip. This one has been listed already. This one is about to be listed on the Kucoin Spotlight. I think it has been listed also. This has been listed. This has been listed. Now, one thing to note is that anytime these two projects gets listed, the prices usually skyrocket. The prices of this particular one usually skyrocket. The Fracton protocol, that this particular one. So you want to take note of this. Now the price usually goes over around $1. So but it has been holding strong at this position because of the current promotion that is being affiliated with the project that is currently being should be launching on the Kucoin. As of recording, you have Metaverse token on Kucoin Spotlight. So users who will be participating on this and have access to this token will also be getting additional benefits. So that is one of the reasons why that token is currently being traded very much as of recording. Also, okay, this is it. And you can also check the market cap is about $3.8 million, which is the current highest, and you can see the total number of tokens circulation is just 2.4 million. Unlike for iPunks where you have about up to 5 million tokens. You can also check for iCents, IENS. There's IENS 2, IENS. So when you make your research like this, you'll be able to jump onto these projects, these NFT based projects. You can see the price, you can see the total number of tokens, about 127 million ENS tokens. Now there's still hope for this token to go up to $1. So you want to check if it has a deflationary system or bond mechanism or what have you. So you want to check it out, but it's currently only available on Kucoin, so that's something you want to be looking out for. Now it says here the Kucoin NFT ETF is a USDT dominated ETF product that marks particular underlying NFT assets. For example, IBC is an ERC20 token representing 1:1 million ownership of the target BC and BC meta swap of Fracton protocol. So in other words, the Kucoin NFT ETFs create an opportunity for 20 million users on the Kucoin platform to own proportionally shared ownership of native blue chip NFTs through directly purchasing ERC tokens. The underlying BAC NFT will be in custody on the Fracton protocol on Ethereum with maximized security while enjoying the low investment threshold of blue chip NFT. So basically, the NFT will be live on the Fracton protocol, and you get access to get a portion of it. Now, there's low investment threshold for investing, no more concerns on managing NFT infrastructure such as OpenSea wallet and more. You can trade these on Kucoin platform. Exceptional trading experience, which is very recommended. Now, these are the partners and more. Now, to know more about Fracton protocol, you can also go over to the official website, which is the main infrastructure for these NFT ETFs platform. So guys, I hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding what the NFT ETF is. We also gave you guys bonus tips on tokens that are some of the uniqueness of this project and why you could leverage on these and make lots of gains. Now, there's no financial advice, so just make sure you do your own research. You can also jump on this Spotlight project that is currently listing out, see if you can make some profit out of the listing. So guys, peace out guys. It's your boy Akahilz. Don't forget to continue using Kucoin. Kucoin is currently the leading crypto platform for blockchain gems and more. And also Kucoin has been able to list lots of tokens, and it's currently they're currently one of the most reliable platforms to do. It's currently among the top tier one exchanges. It's currently ranked at number 1 to 5. So if you go over to CoinMarketCap, check out top exchanges in the world, you'll be able to see Kucoin is currently at number 5, so which is very cool. You can see the increase, trust score and more, so you can see the number of tokens available here. Peace out guys, your boy Akahilz. Don't forget to like our videos in our YouTube channel. We've done some reviews on some of these videos initially, so make sure to check them out. And you also be getting a sign up bonus from using the link in the below description of our video, where you can get up to $1,000 to $500 from sign up bonuses for a lifetime guys. Peace out, your boy Akahilz, and stay safe guys.